message nyo na lang sa SB19 dahil successful yung tunay.
Ha?
Message
Ano
nyo na lang.
Message ko sa SB19. I'm so proud of you, SB19, that you're finally here in my Hong Kong. Sana bumalik kayo. And again, keep waving the Philippine flag.
Iba talaga sila kahit anong venue, they give their best.
I'm glad to hear that. Yeah, they're so good. Like, everyone I invite is so impressed, whether Pinoy, not Pinoy, so impressed.
Kasi we're from Philippines pa eh.
Huh?
We're from Philippines.
You flew in for this?
For this one.
Wow.
Kaya iba din. Message nyo na lang kay...
It's worth it.
Yeah, of course, sobra. Yung day 2, kagabi
Yes.
kahapon. Oh my God. And birthday pa ni Pablo, message nyo na lang sa kanya.
Well, I've told him this so many times. We're so grateful to have his leadership and just his talent. We're happy that we're celebrating it here. So it's so special. I honestly pushed for it to be September 14. Ayan na sila.
Oh my God, thank you Mama Sony.
Thank you, Ren. Thank you for all the support.
Of course, we love this.
And continue to support them.
Of course, we love them so much. Thank
Mama Sony. Mama Sony. Mama Sony. Mama Sony. Kaya ano kita?
Ako sa ba yung manukan? Pwede pa sumali?
Please make it quick because it's the row.
Oh,
Okay.
make it quick.
Yeah, please make it quick, please.
Make it quick daw.
Blocking the row, please.
Blocking the road. Ayan, go! Ano daw sasabihin?